Hello tech community, welcome to P-TekLearn. In this video series, we will explore Amazon SQS, covering everything from the basics to advanced concepts, along with the hands-on exercises. Before starting the session, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Your support motivates us to create more videos, helping you stay updated with the advanced technology trends through straightforward, simple and enjoyable tutorials. Log into AWS console and navigate to the Amazon SQS page. You will notice there are 3 queues available, 2 standard queues and 1 FIFO queue, which are already created. In previous tutorials, we covered creating queues, sending and receiving messages, and managing queues via the AWS console. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to interact with the SQS using the CLI through Cloud Shell. Cloud Shell is a web-based command line interface accessible directly from the AWS console. It's user-friendly with no additional configuration or setup required. To open Cloud Shell, click the Cloud Shell icon located in the top bar of the page. This action will open a command line interface at the bottom of the page. In the Cloud Shell window, you can type and execute various commands. We'll use some of these SQS commands to understand how the CLI interacts with the Amazon SQS. First, let's start listing all queues in our account. Use the command AWS SQS list queues and press enter. This will display a list of all SQS queues. At the top of the window, you will see that there is one message in simple queue FIFO. So let's try to receive this message from the CLI. To receive this message using CLI, we need SQS queue URL. There are multiple ways to find the SQS queue URL. From AWS console, click the queue name to go to the queue details page where you will find the URL parameter. So as you can see here, this is the URL parameter. Copy this URL and paste it command line prompt. Or use AWS SQS get queue URL command from the CLI itself. So like this, if you can execute this command, by mentioning the queue name, we'll get the URL. Once we get the SQS queue URL, run the get message command. To receive messages using the CLI, use the command AWS SQS receive message -- queue URL, where the queue URL needs to be pasted. So let me paste the queue URL that we already copied here and press enter key. The available message in the queue will be displayed as shown. Now let's see how to send a message to a queue. To send a message to a queue, use the following command: AWS space SQS space send -- message, and pass the queue URL as the parameter to this command. So -- queue - URL and whatever the queue URL, enter here. And we need to use another attribute -- message body, and within the double quotes we have to enter the message that we want to send. So here I'm using the sample message. Press enter to send the message. Now we see the confirmation details displayed on the screen. Now execute the receive message command again to see the message you just sent. So let's use the command that we already used: AWS SQS receive message queue URL, hit enter. Now the message in the queue will be displayed as shown here. Like this, there are so many commands available to manage Amazon SQS from CLI. In our next tutorial, let's explore more advanced concepts of Amazon SQS. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, please like it and then subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye now.